Hey everyone! So I have a 10 by 20 canvas and today we're going to do 5 mini ring pours and then we'll tilt the canvas. I already sprayed my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray and that just helps release the paint from the cup so we don't leave it wasted in the bottom of the cup. It'll all come out on the canvas. Then if it drips off we can go ahead and pull skins for jewelry or for tiles, which I always do. And I have quite a few colors. I think I have 12 here. So I'm going to start out with some white, and this is Creative Inspirations Titanium White, and it does have silicone in it. And after the white, I'm going to go ahead with the Liquitex Deep Violet. These are paints that I'm trying to use up because they're getting quite empty. I'm not putting it all on one side, I'm just mixing it up. So, alright. I'm going to follow that with the Folk Art Purple Flash. This is a color shift color. And then we're going to go ahead with some black because we want the flash to interact with the black. And then I'm going to go ahead with the blue flash on top of that one. And this is another Folk Art color shift. Sorry, that was the blue violet, not the blue. Then we'll go with the Soho Dioxazine Violet. And I'm going to follow that with, I think I'm going to go with the Lucas Turquoise next. And I'll follow that with the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. That'll be our other metallic. Then we're going to go with Premier Purple Red. I love this color. Then I'm going to follow that with Deco Art Pearl. My bottle is stained orange, that's why it looks orange, but it isn't, it's cream. Then I'm going to go with some gold. And then the Dollar Ronnie Phthalo Turquoise. And then a little bit of black. And then I'm going to pull the Aqua Flash, since we have a black. It's acting up. Well, sorry about that, guys. The tip of that was clogged. Okay, I'll set that aside so I can clean it. Then, I think I want to stay a touch of white down the middle. Even though this is a ring pour, I don't want each color coming out separately. And I think we're good because we don't need a full cup for sure. Alright, let me move them off of here. We're not going to swirl them or anything, but we are going to pinch the cup. We may not need 5. am making circles. Okay. I can already see some of the interactions with some of these paints. And we are going to do the 5. I love that turquoise in there. And I'm a big fan of that purple red with turquoise and yellow, and I did not put any yellow in here. Just the gold. Okay, get that out of the way. Get a quick torch, pop some bubbles so we don't get too much cell action, even though all these paints do have silicone in them. But we don't want any of those big juicy cells bugging us. Alright, I'm going to try to get them going together here. I'm going to head to that corner, get that edge. I'm going to come down here to this corner. I like the looks when you have a bunch of ring pours on one canvas. I did one with coppers and golds. It's beautiful. I'm liking that right there. And just push it just a little bit more. Bring that black open. And it gives me a focal point as well. So I didn't have too much runoff. I get some great skins out of there for jewelry for sure. I'm going to give it a torch. Pretty cool. I like it. Let me give you a close-up. So if you're new, subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our Facebook group where you'll get all the inside information. Get to see everybody's artwork. I have so much fun in there looking at everyone's beautiful art. And we're always there to answer questions if you're starting out. This is a good group to join. You get answers quickly. Also join my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook. Also, if you're looking for supplies, shop with us through our Amazon link below. If you want to purchase paintings that you see here on the channel, check out our Etsy shop. That link is below as well. We also are an affiliate for Stone Coat. So if you're looking to try the art resin, we have a code available for our Posse members. It's $10 off a $95 order using the code Posse. And also our fan mail box is there and our PayPal link for donations. We do give a quarterly giveaway, and we give away a painting of your choice if you win. And we have some other great prizes too. We really take care of our sponsors, that's for sure. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.